Come on, punks. Get your stupidity out. Your sirens and your motorcycles. Piece of trash, coward whores. Right before I was recording, they had a bunch of their motorcycles out. But once again, when you put the recording on, they cease or diminish the noise disturbances that they were doing. That's why I said it don't pay to be no coward. If you're gonna be a FBI pig whore, be one. Don't sit up here and hide behind it. When the light comes, now you want to scatter like a roach. That's right, show your ugly face. Cause y'all bring hundreds of y'all around here every day. Just